State legislatures across the U.S. are actively debating and updating laws surrounding autonomous trucks, with mixed progress. Montana passed a watered-down bill requiring the Department of Transportation to study the safety of truck platooning, up to 3 vehicles, rather than enacting full platooning rules. Virginia approved a bill to form a work group to study autonomous trucks and develop legislation by 2026, rather than allowing autonomous trucks immediately. California reintroduced a bill, AB 33, requiring a trained human operator in autonomous commercial delivery vehicles, after a similar bill was vetoed in 2024. Delaware introduced SB 46 to preemptively ban autonomous trucks over 26,000 pounds from operating without a human driver. The bill is still under consideration. North Dakota amended a bill to require the state DOT to study autonomous truck regulations instead of banning them outright. The bill is halfway through the legislative process. Texas introduced 2 bills. HB 442 would mandate a human operator in autonomous vehicles, while SB 2425 seeks to refine automated vehicle definitions and allow limited human-free operation under certain conditions. Overall, while many states recognize the growing role of autonomous truck technology, they remain cautious, prioritizing safety, driver job security, and regulatory clarity. Many bills have been scaled back to call for further study and recommendations before fully permitting autonomous truck operations. The article from Times of India explores the future of infrastructure through the rise of smart cities, emphasizing the use of technology to improve urban living. It outlines the core principles and benefits of smart cities, as well as the challenges in implementing them. Key points. Definition and purpose. Smart cities leverage information and communication technology, ICT, and the Internet of Things, IoT, to optimize services like transportation, healthcare, utilities, and public administration. Global examples. Examples include Barcelona's smart streetlights that adjust brightness based on pedestrian activity, and Singapore's AI-driven traffic systems to reduce congestion. Sustainability. Smart cities promote sustainability by integrating renewable energy, smart grids, and waste management innovations like sensor-equipped bins.